Hello viewers, welcome back to this tutorial. In this very session we are going to add more resources by using URL. Let's say at the end of the course I want to add an activity and resource. So let me click on it, click resource, then you can see URL. The URL allows you to add a link to a resource from external source. Like you can add a link to ebook, to PDF file, to website. I have my portfolio website here running on localhost. You can see it here. I want to embed this website. Let's assume this is an external website. You want your learners to get resources. Okay, so I'm going to copy the URL. It is running on localhost. Copy it, now minimize it. Now I will select URL. Now I want the name field is required. I'm going to type it. Okay, I just typed learn more about the author. Then you paste the URL. Okay, this is the URL to the localhost that contain. So this URL can be a website. A URL to a website, a URL to external resources. Okay, now you can also click choose link. If you can choose the link like embed file with a file, you can also enter the URL here and download it, but I'm pasting the URL here. Now you can add description if you want. If you add description, you can also enable it here. I say display description on the course page. Then the appearance, just like embedding a file, is almost the same thing. Automatic is going to open since it is a URL, probably it is open in a browser, but it's going to override the contents. Okay, so you can, that is automatic. You can also embed it. It is going to be embedded the way we embedded the file. Okay, let's check embed. Then you can set other things here. So let's preview. Let's save and return to course, and let's go down and click learn more about the author. You can see the icon is link. Click on it. You see now it embedded the website inside the Moodle course. You can see, you can view the entire website here and view it. So if you don't want to embed the website, let's go back to setting. You can choose another option. An option is open, but when you select open, it's going to override the content. Rather, you can use pop-up. Okay, in pop-up window, then you can set the width of the pop-up and the height of the pop-up. Okay, let me change the width to 1024. Then let me change the height to maybe 1000. It is in pixel. Then let's click save and return to course. Now if I scroll down, you can see learn more about the author. If I click on it now, you see now it is open in a new window, and it is okay, so that the user can be able to view the external website and also retain the course content without overriding it. So either you embed it or you just open it in a new window, as you can see here. That is how to use the URL resource. Okay, the next video we are going to continue adding more content into our course.